Hola, mi amores. Good evening. So I went ahead and got 2 more boxes from Target. I got all the mask and Treat Yourself. Now I did open this one because I decided to use the bath bomb in there with my daughter. But I'm going to go ahead and open all the masks for you now because I figured I'd put one on. Alright, so we got the box open. There it is. I love masks. So we have a little card in here that says Hello Radiance. It looks like that, and then it tells you what you have in the back. The first mask that I'm pulling out says Mask Bar. Luminizing Charcoal Peel Off Mask, which I love these. I think they're fun to peel off. So, I don't think I'm going to try that one. I think I'm just going to try if there's a sheet mask in here, sheet mask. And then there's a coupon in here for $1 off the St. Ives Facial Care. And the next one is Say Yes to Carrots. It is Nourishing and Boosting Vitamin-Enriched Kale Paper Mask. Ooh. Maybe I'll try that one. I've never tried a carrot mask. Sounds interesting. The next one is St. Ives Soothing Sheet Mask Oatmeal. Gently soothes for soft, supple skin. And then the next one is Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating. This is, I think, a sheet mask too. Actually, it kind of feels rubbery. Maybe that would be fun to try. Put that to the side just in case. And then the next one is Multi-Mask Pack. Repair, Perfect, Nourish. It says que bella. Aw, that's cute. Charcoal Mud Mask. Super Berry Mud Mask. And a Coconut Cream Mask. They sound like they would smell good. I don't want to try those today. I want to do a sheet mask today. These are tempting. They're so tempting. And they're so cute. I decided to go with a carrot mask because I've never done a carrot mask. And it's only for 10 minutes. So it says how to use gently unfold mask and apply to clean skin, which my face is clean. I just got out of the shower. Adjust around eyes, nose, and mouth, soothing to fit the curves of your gorgeous face. Close your eyes, relax for 10 minutes, remove mask. Tingling? Yes, it's working. So it's supposed to tingle. And then it says too much tingling, take it off. Doesn't say to rinse. So I'm assuming it's one of those that, like, when you're done, you massage it in your skin. Ooh. It smells like a root. It's not a bad smell though. I'm going to go ahead and put this on, and then I'm going to wear it while I unbox the other one. And I did use, like I said, the bath bomb out of there. And I will tell you about that. Having trouble here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. It seriously smells like a root. It's cold. How do I look, guys? Do I look gorgeous? Alright, let's get to the box, if I can see everything. Alright. So the next box is Treat Yourself. And it says here in the card, hello, relaxation. I feel like these should have been in this box because you're supposed to relax with these. And then there's coupons in there. There's one for a lotion, $1 off. There's one for Dr. Teal's, $1 off. One for Olay, $3 off. Another for Bath Bombs, $1 off, 6 count. A $2 off for Lux by Dr. Bubble. I guess those are like called bath candies. And then there's a $3 off for Honest Products. So there's those. And then I did use the bath bomb today with my daughter. It turned the water purple and it smelled so good. I love the smell of it. It was the cutest little bath bomb ever and it fizzed perfectly. I loved it. Thumbs up. So hopefully that helps my daughter fall asleep. Because lavender is supposed to be like that relaxing that it helps you to sleep. The next thing in here, it is a Free Lovely by Bodycology. Coconut and Rose. Softening Body Butter. So, let's see how that smells. It's kind of hard to smell with this mask. It smells soft. Are you able to take me serious with this mask? Yeah, it smells soft. It smells like powder, like baby powder. Not a bad smell. The next thing in the box is the Melt Away Bath Candies. And let's smell them. I'm all about scents. I like stuff that smell good. We don't really have a big smell to them. These little things. I didn't show you the box, did I? There's the box. And then these were in the box. They're called bath candies. Don't eat them. I can't get the bag open like usual. They have the texture of a bath bomb, so I'm guessing they're like a bath bomb. But they don't smell bad. They don't smell like the greatest, but they don't smell bad. Next thing in the box is Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Foaming Bath. I have a few of these. I like these. I like their bath salts too. They're so good, so relaxing, and they do help with aches and pains. Let me smell it. It smells like a flower or plant. It smells good though, really good. Alright, the next thing in the box is Honest Beauty Refreshingly Clean Gel Cleanser. I'm guessing this is for the face. Yep, it's a face cleanser. And then there's actually a seal on it. Everybody knows Abby, right? It makes me think of Abby, I'm sure. Everybody thinks of Abby when the seals come around. Oh no, I broke it! It's open for the most part. I don't want to fight with this. Good enough. It smells good. Ah! Too much. It is clear. It's a clear gel. It smells like soap. Nice and clean. Alright. The next thing in the box is Olay Regenerous Whip. Light as air finish. So it's for wrinkles. I don't have wrinkles yet, do I? Anti-aging results. And I cannot open the box. There we go. Oh, that's cute. This is cute. You can hear my dog outside. That is cute. Everything smells good so far. It is very light. Oh, it smells good. I don't care if I have wrinkles or not. I'm gonna use it. I'll be using this. It smells so good. Is it good for hydrating? Breathable. Soft skin with smooth matte finish. Hydrates. Okay. I'm gonna use it. I'll be using this. Heck yeah. Alright. And the last thing in here, probably use this after the mask, after it dries, is a lip balm by Burt's Bees. I'm not a big fan of Burt's Bees. I just feel like their stuff is like heavy, it smells weird, waxy. So I don't know. Is this tinted? Yeah, it's tinted. Yeah, it smells like wax. I'll put it on now. Very waxy. I see a little bit of a tint, I guess. It's not bad. This would have came handy in the winter. So that's it for my box. I'm gonna wait the last few minutes because I don't think it's been 10 minutes. And I'll take this off. I am taking this thing off. Oh, that felt good. It did tingle a little bit, just a little bit, but it was a good tingling, like the type that you feel like it's working. It feels good. I kind of feel though like it's sticky. Does it need to dry maybe? We shall find out. Ugh, I hate stickiness. Alright, I ended up having to rinse my face because it was too sticky for me. I don't like when stuff leaves me sticky. My hands, face, whatever. I don't like sticky. But it did feel good. And even rinsing it off, like my face is like really nice and soft. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I wanna use this. Oh, it smells so good. It feels nice. I had a fuzz on my nose. That's nice. It feels really, really nice. And I love, 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 love that it smells good. Yeah, put some on your neck ages too. Well, I enjoyed all that. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being part of my family, because you know I love you all. Alright, you guys have a good night. So I forgot I wanted to go ahead and mention these. These are the Kiss brand. I've been trying these out just because I've been trying to take a break from my acrylics. I do my own acrylics. And, you know, after a while your nails get thin and stuff and they need a break. So I decided to take a break and I tried these on. And I like them. They're comfortable. They're easy to work with. The only thing, like always with these, you got to be careful with the air pockets because you do get moisture in them, and then you got to worry about bacteria and, you know, all that yucky stuff. But I thought they were cute. I did grab them at Target when I got the boxes. They weren't that expensive. I think they were like $7.99 or $6.99, somewhere around there. But yeah, they look cute. They don't look bad, I don't think. What do you guys think?